I just decided to take profit on one of my biggest winners this year, OSCR Health stock. 60% gain in just 2 months. In this video, I'm going to share 4 reasons why I decided to sell, how much I made, and what I believe will happen to OSCR next. But as a bonus, if you watch until the end, I'm going to share 7 stocks on my watch list that might be the next big winner. Remember, not financial advice, don't copy me. Any winning trades involve some luck, included this one with OSCR, and I'm very lucky. 2 months ago I made this video about how cheap is the healthcare sector. It's probably my most popular video and the best one I've done so far. I explained why it was a good idea to invest in healthcare insurances and how undervalued these companies were. This was before Warren Buffett disclosed his position on UNH. This is what I was saying. Fundamentally, it's a little bit more expensive than the others, but it's still very cheap compared to the rest of the market. The reason I bought OSCR is simple. Centene is the best value. But I believe OSCR is the best trade and is way more volatile. I'm really happy it worked out as predicted. 62% gain in a bit over 2 months are just extraordinary returns. So I took profit because lately I got a bit uncomfortable. Here are 4 reasons why I decided to sell. Reason number 1, the chart. I'm not a chart expert, but this is definitely an area of resistance for OSCR, rejected several times and we just touched it. 2, greed. I don't want to be greedy. I just made $12,000 in 2 months. For me, that's a lot of money. Most people in Italy earn that in 6 months of hard work. I just applied my system and waited 2 months.
Pretty good.
3, recession fears. Okay, fear and investing are not a very good combo, but we might be near a recession. I want to trim my speculative position like OSCR and hold more cash until I'm confident about the future of the economy. Number 4, 355 million convertible senior subordinate notes offering. This one is a bit more complex. All that financial jargon to say OSCR is taking more debt and that debt will be paid by diluting shareholders like us. At what price? From $24.82, a new wave of seller could appear out of thin air, putting down pressure. What's going to happen to OSCR now? Honestly, I'm not sure. The stock isn't cheap as it was 2 months ago. This is why I took my profit. However, OSCR has great momentum. If it breaks this resistance, or if the US government passes new insurance incentives, this could explode and go to $40, $50. Would I regret to sell if that happened? Of course I will. I sold Celsius with great gains early this year, but it's way higher now. Of course I regret it. I wouldn't be honest if I would deny it. On the other hand, this is life. I made my trade, I gained my money. Let's look at the glass half full and be happy and focus our energy on finding the next undervalued stock. What should I buy next? I'm sitting on 45k in cash, so the hunt for the next OSCR begins. I'm looking for a very undervalued stock with a massive upside potential. I'm going to share with you my watch list, 7 stocks, so you can help me deciding which one is the best one for my next video. What should I buy? The first stock that I'm attracted to is Lululemon. I called it out in early August together with Novo and ASML in this video. Lulu is the only one that is still very cheap. My issue with it is that I'm already losing a lot of money with Abercrombie, so I don't want another weak moat fashion stock. Second, I'm considering moving to another health insurer. They are up a bit, but not like OSCR. Morina or Elevance, for example, are up around 30% from the lows, but are still extremely cheap compared to their fundamentals. I believe there is still a lot of money to be made on this sector. Another stock that I'm thinking a lot about lately is Duolingo. Some people love it, others hate it. It's very controversial. I was almost buying some here at this trend line, but I would like it even cheaper. Finally, there are two software value plays at the moment. Adobe. This video is edited with Premiere, so I even know their products well, and Adobe stocks look cheap at $350. So is Salesforce CRM down 35% this year? What do you think? Is this low enough? So many options in the market. All these companies are very interesting, but are also all quite risky one way or another. Maybe it would be smarter to play defense and invest in a Magnificent 7 like Amazon. Last week I made a video about whether Amazon or Google is cheaper. Watch it next to help me out with the algorithm. It's a cool video. Also, this is one of the last chance to be one of my first 1,000 subscribers. Don't miss it, subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Peace out.